Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens how to get digital passport photo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get a digital passport photo in the Walgreens, what you need to do is simply head over and launch the Walgreens app and be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once logged in, what you need to do is simply tap on the photo tab on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and select passport photo, and then you'll see the passport photo options on the prints and support. So simply find that, and then once you select that, what you need to do is select your device and select the photo from your gallery, your Google Drive or your social media, and then once you do that, tap on begin and now choose digital option from Walgreens, which usually offers in-store printed passport photos or digital version that you can request a file email to your Edison prints. And if the digital option isn't available in the app, you'll be directed to the photo in store and then request a digital copy at checkout. You can also schedule or walk in at most Walgreens location let you walk in without an appointment and use the app to find the nearest store offering passport photo services. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.